we just talk about her? Like, what is she? Who is she? What? Hello? Yeah. What? Oh. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with a hair review of this lovely wig that is currently gracing my scalp. Okay, now let's get into some things. This hair is from AFSISTER hair. She is a 24-inch straight Joan. She does not give 24. She gives me 26. 24 does not hit me this long. 24 does not hit me here. 24 usually hits me here. I swear to God, day 24 is different. This hair is a 13x6 lace front wig, kind of like standard like closure type style right here, and then on the sides it gives frontal, as you guys can see. Yeah, I feel like everyone has adapted to kind of having the closure style frontal, and then they kind of like tweak it to their own liking or whatever. Like, you can finesse the side part, I can finesse the side part, I could, like, you could wear a middle part down. Like, these are the kind of wigs that are like bust down middle part energies. I really wanted a wig that I was gonna wear in a middle part though. Like, this is my middle part girl, and I'm kind of looking for her. Like, what do you guys think about my middle part? Yeah, she goes all the way back. It is a fake scalp small knots wig. I forgot what the name of this wig was. I do believe she was like Jada or something like that. Jada. I did not have to pluck that much. I got plucked just a little bit out the front, and then I did like no bleaching of the knots. Like, this is just how the wig comes. The lace is really thin, and the scalp is just everything. The fake scalp under this unit is everything. I wish I went in and did a kind of like video of how the fake scalp looks, but she is just kind of giving what she needs to give right now, in my opinion, because this wig was not super crazy full. I did go in and add like some hair to it. I didn't add that much hair. I didn't even add like a bundle. I think I added like maybe half a bundle or something like that. This is what I mean by everyday full. Like, this is the hair, like, oh, she's full enough to be everyday, but she's also full enough to give you like strip it out the back, like, you know, like give you just the girls like everything they need, like, you know what I mean? But yeah. And I feel like every time I order a wig from AFSISTER Wig, she just gives me everything I need. I did have a red unit from them. Well, a unit that I made red from them, and it was just everything. That hair was just so bouncy. The hair holds the curl. I have yet to curl this hair. I'm probably gonna go in and like crimp her soon, but she is just my just straight fantasy. Like, I really just wanted some long straight hair, like, and I didn't have to like press out my own hair because I had a weave for a minute. But yeah, this hair is kind of just like everything. Like, can we just talk about her? Like, what is she? Who is she? What? Hello? Yeah. What? Oh, she does not shed. She does not tangle. I have never gotten a unit from them that sheds. Like, maybe, yeah, like, I'm literally getting, oh, I just got one strand from that whole thing, and I got nothing else. So the hair is like really silky. You can like tell when hair is good quality when there isn't a lot of like short strands, and how the hair moves, and just like if you throw your hair, it'll come right back. Like, you know what I mean? Like, look at her coming right back. Overall, just silky down, boots the house down. Like, you know, it's just giving what it needs to give. I'm like a fake hood rat, but I'm a white girl. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I would recommend this hair. She did come in a natural kind of like blackish brownish situation. She was leaning a little bit more to the brown side, and I did color her black with my, I think, Deep Shine color 1. I do have a video of like the products that I use to get this hair looking like how she's looking. Like, yeah, how she looking? She looking like how she looking. Yeah. So if you want some great quality hair for not such a crazy price, hit up AFSISTER, because she does what she gotta do every single time. And this video is also not sponsored. Like, I just genuinely really love AFSISTER Wig's hair. And this wig, I think I did get it on some kind of sale. I forgot what sale it was. I don't know if it was the Mother's Day sale. It was somebody's sale. I think it was a spring sale or something like that. I did get 50 bones off of her, and she is just hitting fast. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, because I will be back with more videos. And if you're not watching my videos, what is you doing? All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.